Hi guys, welcome to my first makeup tutorial inspired by Rita Ora. Click here or the link in the description box to watch part 2. I'm now moisturising the face with the MAC 130 SE brush. I'm then going to prime the face using Gosh Velvet Touch Primer to mattify. I'm using the same brush I used to moisturise the face. I'm now going to apply the foundation using Revlon Photo Ready in nude and golden beige. I'm mixing these colours together. Applying 1.5 pumps to each side of the face for a full coverage. I'm now taking a Real Techniques crease brush. I'm using this to apply the concealer. I'm thoroughly now blending it out. I'm applying it right underneath the waterline to get rid of all redness. I'm now applying it lightly around the mouth area to erase any darkness around the mouth. Okay, so we now have a concealed face. I'm now going to set it with a MAC 134 powder brush and Rimmel Stay Matte in transparent. In this particular look, Rita Ora's face isn't too matte or too sheer, so we're just going to apply a light amount. Applying a decent amount onto the entire face, also prepping the eyelids for eyeshadow. Okay, so now we've set the face, we're now going to move on to the eyes using Urban Decay Primer Potion to prevent any creasing. This primer dries quite quickly, so make sure you blend it in evenly. Moving on to Rita Ora Statement Eyeliner. I got straight in there and started applying a thick line of eyeliner, following the natural line and then winging it out. And then doing the same on the other eye. Okay, so now we've completed the eyeliner. As you can see, I've gone for quite a round shape and a subtle wing. Moving on to the eyebrows, Rita Ora's eyebrows are quite dark, so what we're going to do is we're going to apply the eyebrow pencil quite heavily and just slightly go over Mimi's natural brow. To define the eyebrows or to sharpen them, I'm going to take a Real Techniques eyebrow brush and dip it into some concealer and just apply that underneath the eyebrow to highlight and define. Okay, so now I'm going to move on straight into the lips using a Barry M red lip liner. I'm just going to colour the whole lip in. If you want for this look, you can slightly go over the natural lip line to create an illusion of fuller lips. Okay, so now we're complete with the lip liner. We're going to take an eyebrow brush and dip it into some concealer, and then we're just going to define it just around the lip. We're now going to complete the lips with a red lipstick with an orangey undertone. I've used this colour because Rita Ora's lips are very bright and do have an orange tint. Now that the lips are done, moving back into the face, I'm going to now contour the sides of Mimi's nose and just bring it up to underneath the eyebrow. Okay, now we're going to start bronzing the face. This goes really well with a red lip. Okay, now so we're going to start from the temples of the face and just go lower, just underneath her cheekbones. Okay, so we don't want too much of the product onto the brush, we just want to lightly apply it so it's easier to blend. Okay, so now we're done bronzing the face, we're going to now start on the eyeshadow. We're just going to keep it really subtle, so I'm just going to apply a very natural eyeshadow and just apply that all over the lid. Okay, so after you've done that, I'm going to take a shimmery eyeshadow and just apply that all over the lid. Okay, so we're done with the eyeshadow. I'm now going to take a shimmer brick and just apply that on the cheeks. Okay, so then I'm going to lightly apply it down the nose, on the forehead and the chin. Moving on to mascara, Rita Ora doesn't really wear obvious false lashes, so I'm not going to use false lashes. You can if you want to, but not for this look. Okay, so now I'm going to go with a Q-tip and just lift the lid slightly so I can get right in the lashes. And then just applying a thin coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, so I'm going to get Mimi to dab her lips onto some tissue to get rid of any excess lipstick. Okay, so now I have finally completed the Rita Ora look. I've just curled Mimi's hair and just put a beanie hat on to just resemble the look a bit more. So there you go, this is the final look, and if you want to watch the How We Do Inspired tutorial, there is a link in the description box for that. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, request. This is my first makeup tutorial, so you know. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.